The purpose of this video is to talk about the receivables turnover. The receivables turnover is a ratio. On the numerator, or the top of the fraction, it has your annual sales, or revenue. And on the bottom of the fraction, or the denominator, it has your average receivables. Now, what is this? Where do you find it? First, it's found in the sales section of the income statement for your annual sales or revenue. And your average receivables is found from the receivables section in the balance sheet. Revenue is what you're actually given. Your annual sales are what you're actually given after being on credit. For instance, if you were to sell a book, it's what you are paid after being told, I will pay this. How does that work? You're a bookstore, you sell a book, and someone gives you a credit card. Well, the credit card, as you know, doesn't get paid by you usually right away. So that's credit. Now, when you finally receive that for the year, that is your revenue. When the bookstore actually receives the money, that's their revenue. When they sell books in total and they're still owed money, or money is still on credit, they don't have that in their possession yet. So what that is the receivables, okay? So, your average receivables is your previous year's receivables plus this year's receivables divided by 2, your average. And this is what is owed to you on credit. So, to wrap this up, the greater the receivables turnover, the faster your customers pay. So here's an example. You receive $100 in credit this year. You receive that much. You are currently waiting for $25 on credit. So that's 100 divided by 25, which equals 4. Now, the 25 is your average receivables. I did not do an average because I'm just trying to make this a simple example. So you are actually getting paid 4 times a year, since 100 divided by 25 is 4. That is your receivables turnover ratio. To find your days of sale outstanding, since you're being paid 4 times a year, it's 365, the days of a year, divided by the receivables turnover, which in this case is 4. So you're having that many payments, 4 in 365, and that gives you how many days it takes you to get paid. And that is your receivables turnover.